In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Mailchimp. We'll walk through the exact path inside your account so you can update your password confidently and keep your data secure. If you're already signed in, great. If not, start by heading to the Mailchimp website and log in to reach your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to let the page load fully so all menu options appear. Look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile image or initials there. Click that profile area to open a small menu. From that menu, choose Profile. This takes you to your profile and account settings page where Mailchimp keeps personal and security details. On the profile page, locate the Change Password section. It may appear as its own panel or as a link within your security settings on this page. Open that section to reveal the password fields. You'll first be asked to verify your current password. Enter the password you're using right now. This step confirms that it's really you making the change, and it helps protect your account from unauthorized edits. Next, type your new password. Be sure it meets Mailchimp's requirements. At least 8 characters with both uppercase and lowercase letters, at least 1 number, and at least 1 special character. Aim for something unique that you don't use anywhere else. A short phrase with a mix of characters can be both strong and memorable. If there's a show option next to the field, use it to double check what you're typing and avoid hidden typos. Also, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the password, especially if you're pasting from a notes app. After that, confirm your new password by entering it again in the confirmation field. This must match exactly, including capitalization and symbols. If the 2 entries don't match, Mailchimp will prompt you to fix it before continuing. When everything looks correct, click Update to save your new password. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a success message indicating the change is complete. In some cases, Mailchimp may ask you to sign in again with the new password, which is normal. Once you're done, consider updating your password manager so you don't lock yourself out later and sign out of any devices you no longer use. That's it. You've successfully changed your Mailchimp password. Thanks for watching, and keep your account secure by choosing strong, unique credentials.